Okay, I'm back. I went all over the place. It's 10:30 now. I left at what, 7:38? I forget. Yeah, I was driving all over this county looking for parts. Evidently, 1¼ pipe is no longer available in Home Depot. At least the ones I was going to anyway. Alright, so luckily I had a little bit of pipe left from one place. One store you had to buy a 10-foot piece of it, the other one you bought whatever you needed. So now she had to go back to one I only needed what I needed. That way it was cheaper. Alright, so there's our 1¼ pipe to go up on top. Goes way, way up there on the top. And that elbow up there. So that should go up into there. Sharp. Open threads right there. More burrs. Burr! It's cold in here too. Hear that one? That's a big burr. They left that for me. Thanks. This side, it must be the factory side, it's better. Alright, let's see if it fits again. So he was supposed to cut that fairly deep. Looks like about the same. We'll see. Great. Fits like a glove. That means it doesn't want to fit at all. Oh, that's why. That's going to be a problem. Pipe is bent down at the top, so it shoves it into the side of the machine. That way it won't go in. So I have to bend that pipe up there. Out. Oh, geez, interrupted. What a shocker. We'll be back. All right, we're back. So I'm going to have to go up there and bend that pipe away from the machine so I can put the 2-foot length in there. Because right now it is bending toward the machine. That's why I can't put the pipe in. What a shocker. It'd be nice if it's bent out. It's actually bent in. So, one more thing we got to deal with. So we're going to try using this little tool right here. See how that works. Oh, that bent. Oh yeah, that bent. Good. It's been adjusted. Probably copper tubing up in there. Or at least thin steel tubing because it bent pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't leak. We'll see. Center point at. Thread doesn't want to start. Great. Ah, there it is. Way over there. that thread's too sharp. So we can make a little adjustment on this thread right here. It's not been deburred. It's too sharp of an edge and it probably wouldn't cut deep enough. You gotta fix it. Hopefully that's enough. Hopefully it seals. It's in there though. That's all that matters. Okay, so all this 1¼ inch stuff here is obsolete. At least for the one Home Depot it is. So I got bags and bags of stuff here I bought. Every time you turn around there's another big bag of crap. Hopefully there's enough of it here to use. You know, you don't want to know how much I spent because it's a lot. Alright. So we got our big piece. This might be too big. Nope, 1¼ inch. Didn't have a street L, so I had to get an elbow and a coupler. Or nipple, whatever the hell they want to call it. So one store was a penny a piece, the other one was $3 a piece. So I got a short one and a long one. I don't know which one I need, so we're going to take the longer one. Actually, this goes into the head. Use a shorter one. That's this one. Ah, damn plastic. Getting weak. Okay, there we go. Got our nipple. Look at a nipple. Okay, we take out the small one. And the big one. And the elbow. That makes a street L. Okay. We got this thing here. Oh, there's another piece. We need a coupler or union. Well, they want to call it damn things. I forget anymore. There it is. Big boy. That thing. And we got this big boy goes in here. It appears we got way too much length. See, I had purposely cut an 25-inch long piece, and now we're like 3 inches too long. So I'm not sure how that happened, but that's why I got this piece down here. I'll take this out and put another one ahead. Shorten it up and it fit. If that don't work, I'll take it back to them and recut it. They'll recut it for me. I don't know if this will even come out of here really. That might be a problem. This looks like brass. Oh yeah, that's brass. So this being brass, this is probably not going to want to come out of here. I'm pretty sure it's not going to want to come out of this at all. So it'd probably be best to have that pipe shortened. Goes. Yeah. We're way on the long side here. At least 2 inches on the long side. Yeah, that far too long. About 2 inches. Well, that's going to screw in there a little bit further, but it's not going to screw in that much. We're going to want to be an inch too long by the time we're done here. And I don't think there's any way in the world we're going to make that squeeze in that amount. No way is that going to happen. So the best thing to do is take it back and have them recut it for me. I'm sure they'll do that. Otherwise, I got to try to get this piece here off, which would be a little harder to do. Well, I guess we'll give it a try. What the hell, right? What's the worst thing that can happen? We screw it up, right? Sure, that'll never happen around here. Let's see here. Okay, we're going to put the vise over here. Try to unscrew that thing. It doesn't appear it wants to come out. I am shocked. Yeah, it's in there pretty good. Looks like it's rusted itself in there very nicely. So I think shortening that pipe is going to be the answer. Yeah, screw the threads up a little bit too. All right. That's going to be something I'm going to have to do, because I don't think that's going to go together. No other way is it going to go together. The shortest one's there. That'll gain us an inch. At least. It'll be close. Yeah. Let's see. Stupid brass. Alright, I'm gonna see if I got a big wrench this size, and I don't think I do. Nah, I'm pretty sure I don't have anything that big. That's big. See, this is bronze, so I don't want to get too carried away with it. I like to get this out of here, though. Yeah. You can tell I don't want to shorten the pipe up. Let me get my air compressor working. Yeah. I don't think that's going to happen. Don't think it's going to happen. All right. Yeah, let's find out. We're going to work on it. So I have to goop this all up and make it go. Somebody already put that in there, but tightness. There we go. Okay, we got a magic goop. We'll be back.